little bit of swell here from the ferry.
Glad I have a spray skirt on today. Water temperature is maybe 9-10 degrees by now.
So another really important piece of gear is, of course, a spray deck, which you attach to the cockpit of the kayak, around the coaming, around the cockpit of the kayak, which keeps you dry and safe from rain or from waves splashing over. Really critical if you are in a little bit of heavier weather or chop. So one thing to always remember is that the handle of the spray skirt needs to be obviously not stuck under the spray skirt where you can't reach it, but within reach. So if you flip and you need to get out of the kayak quickly, you're able to just pull it and off you go. One other really good thing to try in advance of your paddles is to see whether you are able to use your knees to open the spray skirt as well. That's a good trick in case you can't reach the handle in a tricky situation. And that worked. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It will help others find the channel, and you will be updated on new upcoming videos. Stay safe and happy paddles!